Welcome to our channel again. Today we are going to discuss about past continuous tense. For assistance, call +2507863886662. Now, today we are going to discuss in details how to use past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. As I had revised some key terms that can be used to discuss and conjugate verbs in a different time. Today, I'm going to give you details about how you can conjugate verbs in the past continuous tense. If you are a speech deliverer, you can also listen to this lesson so that next time you will know to narrate the stories by using past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is the past time, is express time, past event, but that time take a duration. So let me keep explaining about the past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? What is the branches of past continuous tense? Past continuous tense can be used in a different place, in a different time. If you are a speech deliverer, you will need to use that to discuss about action in the progress in the past. Two action is happening at the same time. Interrupted action, background information in the story, polite indirect question, repeated action in the past, developing situation, and emphasizing duration of past. So keep watching so that I'm going to try to explain it in details, and by using and concerning my experience, I will give you crucial skills to know to use the past continuous tense so that next time if you get opportunity to express yourself for an interview, any oral exam, you will use this tense to talk about past action but past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, as denoted, past continuous tense is used in action in progress in the past. Progress in the past. What is the progress? Progress in the past. Progress in the past. You will use this tense to talk about action that is in progress. Example, to show that you will use this action in progress in the past to show that something was happening at a certain moment in the past. Example, yesterday I was watching TV at 8 p.m. Yesterday I was watching TV, or I can also say, yesterday I was teaching English at 8. Means I take 1 hour to teach English. Instead of saying I taught English, because if you use such kind of expression, you will express past. So use past continuous to express action in progress in the past. Second use of past continuous for two action happening at the moment of the same time. So, example, you are contrasting, you are narrating a story of two actions that happen in the past at the same time. You will respect the use of past continuous tense. Example, she was reading while he was cooking. She was reading while he was cooking. Um, the, Someone is reading while other is cooking. Was cooking. I'm sorry. Was cooking. Um, I was teaching while she was reading. So that simultaneous action in the past, you have to express it by using past continuous tense. Next use of past continuous tense interrupted action. Action that is stopped without ending. Example, to show longer action interrupted by shorter action, usually in past. Example, I was sleeping when the phone rang. I was sleeping when the phone rang. I was sleeping when the phone rang. Or I was eating when the student went out. Okay? Interrupted action. We also use past continuous tense if we are expressing background information in the story. When you need to talk about a background in the story, you can use past continuous tense. Example, the sun was shining and the bird were singing. The sun was shining and the bird were singing. And the bird were singing. That is example that show us to set the scene or describe the atmosphere in the past. You need to talk about that action by using past continuous tense. Next use of past continuous tense, you can use it in polite or indirect questions. Polite or indirect questions. When you need to address polite or indirect question in the past, you have to use past continuous tense. Example, I was wondering if you could help me. I was wondering if you could help me. Just is an example of polite or indirect questions. You can also use past continuous when you are expressing repeated action with always, constantly. When used with words like always, example, he was always losing his keys. You are expressing repeated action in the past. You will use past continuous tense. Example, you can say, he was always explaining English. You can also use past continuous tense when you are expressing developing situation. This tends to talk about the situation or trends. Trends that or trends in the past. You have to use past continuous tense. Planning when you are emphasizing duration of past. Example, he was working all night. So, to know how to use English tenses carefully is the first skills that will give you ability to speak English fluently without errors. So, to avoid speaking many errors in your speaking skills, you have to master different tenses. So today I explained about the past continuous tense to help you to master way of using tenses so that next time you will express your English, you will express your thought carefully. So while watching this video, you can click in a video, then show transcript so that you can see my voice in written form so that you will keep getting skills and experience from me. So click share and subscribe to reach on us and to help us to develop our activity and show us the values of this presentation. Make sure that you are happy in a good manner of learning English. Share to your friends so that you will get information that will help you to speak English fluently. I will upload the next lesson but you can comment and and on my video so that you can comment on me and I will give you feedback, or I can plan new lesson based on your comment. Thank you. I love you. Love. Cheers for you. Next time, I will give you other tenses that is very crucial. So don't left our channel. Keep watching, and next time you will be happy by watching our videos. So thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your